Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you all how I am going to perm my roots. Yes, I'm perming the roots of my locks. I'm just playing with y'all. Go ahead and watch this video, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what else you want to see, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hey you all, so I'm going to show you how I am going to start conditioning my hair. I'm going to try this out and see how it works for a few weeks. So I just washed my hair. I did the method that I always use, which is to use my squeeze container, applicator bottle, just put a little bit of shampoo and the rest water. So I washed it with this shampoo first 2 times. So this is more of like a clarifying kind of conditioning type of shampoo. Anything that's like more clear is going to be more clarifying. Anything that has like kind of like a creaminess to it is going to be more conditioning. But I find this to be very cleansing as well. So this is a cleansing shampoo, and then I did that twice, and then I followed up with this as a moisturizing shampoo. So I don't like just using this. My hair is too thick, and I don't feel like it cleansed my hair as much as I wanted to. But as far as making it more conditioned, I think this is a great shampoo as a conditioning shampoo. So clarify first, then use a more conditioning type of shampoo. And I didn't put this in my bottle and put water in it. What I did was I just sectioned it down the middle and I squeezed it across slowly, and then I was able to get it through my scalp. Then I did another section right there, put it down that section, and then I did another section right here and put it down and just massage it in. So you can see my roots are a bit shiny. That's great. My hair's actually like really starting to dry right now. I had to do mommy duties. Yeah, I was doing a lot of stuff with the baby, so I couldn't get straight to the video. So my hair is like almost dry. Okay, so I'm gonna put it out into 3 sections. Pull these first before I put them on my hair. That way it doesn't break as soon as I try to put it over my locks. The hair and scalp conditioner, now treatment. I've been just putting it on my hair. I've been doing it all wrong, y'all. So what I'm gonna actually do is put it on my scalp. Comes like that. I just got some essential oils in there. That's why you see the discoloration in there. But anyways, I'm just gonna put this on my scalp. I do not like the way it smells, but we're gonna see if this helps. Supposedly claims to help with dandruff. So yes, I'm putting it on there like the creamy crack and just putting it through on my scalp. It's kind of a lot actually when I put it on there. It looks like a lot, but I'm not using that much. But it's really thick. See, I'm only using about that much, and it goes on pretty thick. So I'm doing that at the scalp and kind of coming a little bit out. This is my first time doing it, you all, so I'll give it a few weeks and basically till I get done with this bottle and see if it works. Also, I've recently stopped using coconut oil on my hair. And I put it into 4 sections, but I only do 3. Well, I only put 3 in a scrunchie at a time because I'm working on one. So around the perimeter is where I find that I have some dryness. I don't know if product kind of just builds up right there or what, like when you're sweating and everything. To concentrate really on this middle part, I find that I have a lot of dandruff or product buildup, whatever it is. I haven't really been clinically diagnosed as having dandruff, but I get dry scalp. So you all, I'm thinking about coloring my hair. So this is really big reason why I am now starting to focus a lot on conditioning and moisturizing my hair as much as possible. It's because I want to color it, and when I color it, I want to make sure that I'm going to make sure my hair is in a very healthy state. You gotta think about buildup a lot when it comes to moisturizing your hair. So just from what I've seen, the best way to help moisturize your hair is when you're washing it, to use a moisturizing shampoo, but to also make sure it's clean, and then to use a good conditioner. Okay, so that's the scalp. What I'm going to follow up with, I want to make sure that the ends of my hair are conditioned as well. So I just use nothing fancy. I still got a lot of this left, but this is a color, this is a conditioner for color treated hair. And I really do believe that it works well, because even though I got my hair colored a long time ago, like, people are always like, oh, I see you colored your hair. I'm like, girl, I've been had this color in my hair. It just really retains it. So I'm putting about that much. I'm gonna do a little bit more conditioner, because you know with conditioner you can do more. Put about that much conditioner in here. Maybe some more.
Are you calling me?
No. Doing a video.
Oh shit, my bad.
It's okay. So I put about maybe half a cup of conditioner. Make sure that you get all your shampoo out. And I'm gonna slowly fill this up with water. And I have a video on this, so go watch my video on how to properly clean your locks. I'll put a link in the description box. But when you get to the top part, if you see any suds, it might be still some soap residue from the shampoo, you just push that out into your sink. So just push it out and get all that out, so that you're just left with water and conditioner. And you all, I totally should have used warm water. This water is cold. I mean, I'm not going to put it on my scalp. I'm going to put it on my hair, but still it's going to be dripping all over me. Really what I'm trying to do is thin out the conditioner so it actually penetrates through my locks more. That way I can have, it can condition it more versus me just taking a conditioner and just slapping it on my locks. I want to make sure that it's actually getting through to my locks, so that I can have more conditioning. It can moisturize it more. So we'll see if this works. My first time doing it. Let's see if it works. It's gonna be cold. But keeping it cold, I guess, is good, because I've heard that you should rinse your hair with cold water after you condition it. That way that you're supposed to be able to seal in the moisture. Don't know how true that is. It helps to seal the cuticle so that the moisture stays in your hair. You all, I have my theories about some of the stuff that I read or hear people talk about hair. The thing is, I just feel like, you know, we all trying this stuff out, like, for real. Like, I don't know if there's a chemist out there that's or somebody out there that's done some type of clinical study and took about, I don't know, maybe if it was a small clinical study, like 50 to 100 people with locks, and they were like, okay, we're gonna try these products on you for the next 3 months and see how they work. I want you all to wash your hair, condition your hair, treat your hair the exact same way for the next 3 months, and we're gonna see how these products work. Like, that's how you would have to, like, do a study, you know, to make sure that it's actually the products actually work. I think it's just trial and error on an individual basis. There's some things that we all know to be true, like you need to keep your hair clean and you need to keep your hair conditioned, but as far as what products do that the best, I think it just really comes down to you trying to see what fits your hair. But the overall premise of taking care of your locks is to make sure that you keep it clean, you keep it conditioned, tying it down, those type of things. Okay, so it is starting to come out thin. I like that the conditioner is coming out thin, and I'm making sure that I am constantly tipping it over so that it stays mixed, so that the conditioner doesn't settle down to the bottom. So, and you don't want to just shake it up, because then you might get suds. I don't think conditioners produce that much suds, but you don't know. Okay, so we're adding that. I'm kind of going up into the root. Not really. I'm going more like really close to the scalp, and really making sure that I get through these locks. So I'm going under the lock, going inside the part so that it can really get into my lock and getting on my ends as well. Ooh, I'm getting stuff on my floor. It's the best to do this over your sink. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting it in there, like I'm really working it into the hair. Now, of course, I don't want to unravel my locks. My locks are very mature. So at the end, so doing this shouldn't do anything to like compromise it. I know some people feel like conditioners is going to help, is going to detangle your hair too much, but you got to see, like I said, what works for you. But definitely make sure that you're conditioning your hair, because it's one of the best ways to put moisture back into your locks. Because like I said, it's just too many products out here cause product buildup. And so if there's a product that you can put in, let it sit for a while, then wash it out, do that. Almost done. This smells so good. So let me know, you all, what type of videos you want to see more of. I know I'm doing my mommy vlogs. I always say, what kind of videos do you want to see? Ooh. I want to know what kind of loc videos you all are looking for. You're looking for more like maintenance videos. Let me know specifically what you want to see. You know, like I already said, I don't feel like anybody is an expert at this, really. I mean, maybe if you're a hairstylist, you can be more considered an expert because you see so many different locks and you use so many products on people over the years. But on an individual level, honey, we just trying to see what we can do. So I will tell you what I know, or I could do some research, you know, and come up with videos for you all. Just let me know. I know that I am going to start doing loc videos every Friday. So look out for that. And then I do mommy videos every Monday if you're interested. Also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. So I got majority of it on there. I do want to use the rest of this. I feel like if you let this sit, the conditioner sit in the water for too long, it'll break down the conditioner. So you definitely want to just use what you got left on your hair. Really get on those ends where your hair is at its weakest.